guys, and welcome to this video. Today I think it's part 9, right? And we're doing part 9 of opening, and we're gonna open a plus 81. Plus 81 player pack. So open it now.
Yeah, it's not good. I say
Look, I swear this is
know.
look. Why do you skip it? We got. I want a quick song. Oh, it was untradeable. My bad. Well, I hope you enjoyed that part 9.
Yeah. Next time it's part. Then
No, this is part 10. Oh my god.
next
Well,
time it's part 10.
If you want to see my best pack right here, Topps player pack, then follow for part 11. Yeah, I think, yeah. Subscribe, follow for more. See you.